this workshop tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the Organize tool to move or duplicate content between the pages of your portfolio or between multiple portfolios. Using the Organize tool, you can move or duplicate entire pages, sections, or modules. This is helpful if you need to repeat content throughout a single page, multiple pages, or other portfolios. This will also allow you to reorder sections or move content from one section to another. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the page in your portfolio where you want to get content from. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the About Me page. Next, I will click the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner. From here, you will see a drop-down menu. Select Organize. This will bring you into the Organize tool. In the Organize tool, your browser will go into a split-screen view, with your ePortfolio on the left and two options on the right. The first option says, Show another ePortfolio. Select this option if you are moving or duplicating content between two different portfolios. The second option says, Show current ePortfolio. Select this option if you are moving or duplicating content within the same portfolio. The Show Another ePortfolio option will allow you to select another portfolio that you've created by selecting the thumbnail or by typing in its title. Once you have selected the other portfolio, it will open in the right side of the split screen. The Show Current ePortfolio option will open the current ePortfolio in both the left and right side of the split screen. For this example, I chose the Show Another ePortfolio option. However, the following steps will be the same as if I chose the Show Current ePortfolio option. From here, you can drag and drop elements from one ePortfolio to another by selecting the content and choosing the Move icon. You can also move groups of content by selecting the Move icon for the entire section. If you move content over by accident, or decide later on that you no longer want that content, you can delete it by clicking the delete icon on the element. You will be prompted to type in the word delete to confirm. If you are moving content in an instruction slide, you need to unlock it first before you can move any of its content over. You can also move content between sections of the same page by selecting the up or down icons of an element. If you decide to move it back up or down, just choose the appropriate icon. Be aware, if you move something into an instruction section, the section needs to be unlocked first before you can proceed. The Organize tool will also allow for you to reorder sections by clicking the up or down icon for the section. Now let's say you want to copy an entire page to another portfolio. Instead of creating the page and then using the Organize tool to move all the sections over, you can just drag and drop the entire page. To do this, switch the view in the upper right-hand corner from Content to Page. Here you will see a list of all the pages in both ePortfolios. Click and drag the page over to the other window, and that page will be duplicated in the other ePortfolio. Be aware that clicking and dragging a page that has subpages will also copy over the subpages. It may take a few seconds for the content to show, but be patient. If the content doesn't show, not to worry, exit the Organize tool by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner, and then start the Organize tool again. When you start it again, this time you will see the content. Once finished, exit the Organize tool. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the Organize tool in your ePortfolio.